materials aren't too fancy, you need a paintbrush to safely get aphids, tubes to hold the wasps and aphids, don't mind the Sharpie, I didn't use it, scissors to trim your plant, you need a container to hold the plant with the aphids, make sure it doesn't let parasitoids get in. I ended up using 2 different colors of tubes just to differentiate which ones have been used, which one haven't. You need a microscope, preferably one that works, and you should be good to go. Actually, wait, you need something to record time. And it was really hard to get the camera just right. I just want to point that out. So for this experiment, I took a female Lysiphlebus and a clean aphid, and then I gave them 5 minutes to spend in that tube together, and we'll see if the female decides to parasitize this aphid. So this first parasitoid wasp does not parasitize the aphid, so I put her in this amber colored tube to indicate that I've already used her. And now the larger aphid is the exposed aphid, and the smaller aphid is the clean aphid. And let's see if this new female Lysiphlebus will parasitize either of them. After 5 minutes of exposure, this female chooses not to parasitize either of them. Here I give this new female Lysiphlebus 10 minutes to choose between a large aphid and a small aphid. I'm starting to feel like these ladies might be camera shy, because, spoiler alert, she doesn't parasitize either of them. My final experiment, I took 1 aphid and introduced it to 2 female Lysiphlebus, and I was going to record the time in which one of the females oviposited an egg. I set a stopwatch and I kept an eye on it, but I didn't give them longer than 5 minutes. After 5 minutes of exposure, neither one of the female Lysiphlebus probed or oviposited in the aphid. In fact, the aphid went and hid for most of the time. Shout out to Dr. Giles and Haley for giving me all the materials and lab space to conduct this experiment.